If you have a car that will not start, but as you can see here, it does turn over, there's a good chance that it could be your battery. So we'll head over to the battery, and as you can see here, we have a lot of acid buildup around the terminals, and that will easily hinder that battery from being able to work properly. So we'll go ahead and remove everything off, and we'll go ahead and clean all this off real good. We'll get a steel brush here and clean all that debris, and then we'll go ahead and follow it up with a battery cleaner, spray that on, and that will dissolve any acid or debris that we were not able to get off. Spray that on real good, saturate it. Now we'll let it sit about 2 to 4 minutes so it can really do its job properly. You can see it dissolving everything. And then as we're coming up here on the end, we can just flush it with some water to rinse all that away real good. Make sure it's all good. Reconnect the leads, and let's go ahead and start it up and see what happens.